Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. The market is expected to open slightly lower due to weak performances in the Asian markets, a decline in the US index futures ahead of the release of non-farm payroll data, and concerns over selling pressure from the FIIs in our market. To start with our first segment for Friday, 10th of January 2025, Nifty index opened flattish and slipped by almost 200 points to touch 23,500 marks. Bears had complete control right from the start of the session, which was followed by some consolidation towards the end. It formed a bearish candle and an inside bar on the daily frame and has been making lower highs from the last 5 trading sessions. India VIX was up slightly by 0.7% to 14.6 zones. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.92. Option data suggests a broader range in between 23,000 to 24,000, while immediate trading range is in between 23,300 to 23,800 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 7,171 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 7,640 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 16%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till the time Nifty holds below 23,600, weakness could be seen towards 23,300 marks, while hurdles are placed at 23,800. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 49,750, weakness could be seen towards 48,750, while on the upside, hurdle can be seen at 50,000 marks. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in SRF, IGL, MGL, Zydus Life, HUL and UPL, while some weakness could be seen in Policy Bazaar, Prestige, Ashok Leyland, Jio Finance, REC and AB Capital. Wish you a super trading day and a lovely weekend ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.